Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the exact info you entered, because a single typo or extra space will trigger Microsoft's block. You should also try an alternate browser or private mode to bypass cached cookies that cause form errors. Once done, make sure your device's date, time, and region match the country you're registering from. This matters for security verification and matching phone carriers. If you have one more email or phone, keep it ready. You may need it for verification. Next, focus on verification. Request a fresh code and wait 2 to 3 minutes before retrying, because rapid repeats can lock the process. If SMS doesn't arrive, switch to voice or use an alternate phone number to bypass carrier filtering. Also, clear cookies or move to a different network. Public Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot can resolve IP reputation blocks. While you do this, keep an eye on the exact code format and enter it carefully. Microsoft will reject altered digits. Finally, complete the remaining profile fields, choose a strong password, and add recovery info to reduce future blocks. Once all fields are valid, submit and expect immediate account provisioning. If Microsoft still blocks you, run the account troubleshooter or use the support tool. These steps can lift automated restrictions. If that fails, wait 24 hours and retry from a different IP or device. Transient reputation flags often clear with time. One tip: document error codes to share with support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.